Hi everyone, I am Mike Malalani, Cloud Solution Architect and a Microsoft MVP. I am very excited to be with you at 365 EduCon in person. I'll be talking about OneDrive deployment. Whether you're new to OneDrive or you've been using it for a while and have deployed it to your organization, this half-day workshop will take you into the journey on how to best deploy, manage, and optimize OneDrive. OneDrive is one of the main collaboration tools at Microsoft 365. Whether you're using it as a standalone sync client to sync your personal documents from SharePoint, or you're using it to integrate with Teams, it is one of the cool tools that I've loved and I love to use, and I've been using it for a while. I'm always excited to talk about it. It is a half-day workshop, so we're going to have a lot of good things to talk about. Of course, I'm always excited about the new features, so we're going to cover all the new things coming up with OneDrive. We're going to talk about the administration from the back end, but the main topic is the deployment of OneDrive. We're going to have multiple scenarios, multiple different ways to deploy OneDrive. We're going to have live demos of Endpoint Deployment Manager, for example, of OneDrive. And of course, we're going to talk about security. We're going to make sure that we secure the documents, we secure the workspaces, your PCs, your devices, how to best do that. And of course, we're going to go into the collaboration and how you can use OneDrive to collaborate with others. And at the end, we're going to talk about end user adoption. We're going to make sure that you follow some of the basic steps to train the users and get them excited about OneDrive and to use it the proper way. So I'm really excited to be with you at 365 EduCon. My contact information is on the screen. If you have any questions, if you want to discuss any topic during my half-day workshop, I will be very happy to talk about that off. So feel free to reach out to me, and I will see you at 365 EduCon.